guys, I'm out here in LA and we're at this one spot called the Walt Disney, well, not convention, but you know, the concert hall. This place, I've been here like twice. It's actually pretty cool. We're out here with Sammy because he wanted to get a shot of this place. So we're just kind of following him, getting all the shots. They brought some friends, family. Hey, do you guys want to say hi? Do you guys want to say hi to his girlfriend? I'm trying to point, and then right there, his cousin. My cousin. What photos you're trying to get for like here?
So I'm waiting for the sunlight to hit under the clouds, and then I'm gonna wait a little bit more after that to kind of get a long exposure of the traffic passing by here.
All right, that's gonna look nice. They're all like just streaking across like that.
Yeah, it's gonna be looking nice.
He's getting all inspired over here by looking at this spot. There's the mountains in the back. We're at the garden right now. It's really nice here. Yeah, he's getting this shot of this tree. He likes how these lines are going.
But I'm definitely gonna have to use a tripod.
Oh, for over there, you mean here?
No, right now, because I think
it's a little blurry on the
it's a little
trees.
blurry. Actually, I think I did a good job.
Slow breaths. Try slow.
You're just gonna stop breathing.
Yeah, that too. There's names on this. There's just names everywhere. John Murphy Nielsen. Were you trying to take one? You were trying to. He's in the zone right now.
Well, hopefully I can recover this.
What do you mean? Recover?
Oh, check it out. The building's like super crooked.
Oh, like it's tilted like that?
So I'm hoping that...
The warp, yeah, it is kind of warped to the end. While he's taking shots, they're being out there being bored.
They're not gonna know, but they're gonna be in my photos.
Yeah, they don't know they're in the photo. Do you think you could stitch it well?
Yeah, maybe. Like one here and then another there, just in case I can...
Try it.
But if I warp it, it might, you know, stretch out too much.
The building? It's true.
I got 4 of them.
You have 4 of these?
Yeah.
He's using compact flash still. These things, I remember when they first came out. They're a lot smaller now, aren't they? I remember them being bigger. So many cameras over here. There's just like so many people setting up for this shot. They got like gimbals all around. And then Sammy's trying to get his shot. It's just kind of cool, like everyone chose this side. You can see the projection coming on. I don't know if it's gonna get any better, but it's kind of light right now.
And I'm about to do my long exposure here.
You gonna try it out?
Yeah. But I'm gonna have to crop for sure just because it's very off. I can kind of see a little bit of this side of the sidewalk.
Oh, okay. So all the lights, they're coming from up there. These projectors, there's like 4 there or something, there's some over there. I don't know if they leave them there all the time, but that's where the lights are coming from. Oh, okay. That looks cool.
Yeah.
Every single one has a different color almost. Those are a little dark, but that's fine. What is going on? Yeah, they're like in the calibrating phase. Someone just gave us a tip right now that we could actually go up there. I'm gonna see if I can.
Uh-oh, I picked my nose on that one.
Oh, do you care?
Oh, I went like this.
Oh, okay.
I didn't go like this.
Okay. Wow. It's just a parking lot up here. There's a projector there, there's a projector there. There's somehow way out here, and there's some sitting area, huh? I didn't notice that. That was cool. How do you think they came out?
Well, I got a lot. I got over 500, and I think I like about three shots, 4 shots.
That you liked?
Yeah.
Wow, you took a lot. 500? It's a lot of photos.
But it's 500 of them, but most of them are the same angle.
Yeah.
Repeat it over and over and over.
Well,
Total fan.
I hope they come out good.
Thank you. Hopefully you guys like it too.
Yeah. Now guys, I'm back home and Samuel finished the photo and he did a really good job. I want to show you guys like this photo, how it came out. I really liked how it came out, and really out of all those 500 photos, he only got like a one photo that he liked. As you guys can see, this is the photo. This is the before. It's actually a stitch of two photos that he did. And I noticed, or I knew when he was there, they had problems with a lot of people were in the stairway. So he had to get the shots when they didn't have the people, which he waited for. But it took him a while to get. And this is kind of how it looks. He had a wide angle and it was kind of warped on the sides. You can see in the top left and right that they didn't cover enough. And the way he fixed that, let's go now, this is from before and let's go the after. Like you could totally tell there's a huge difference between these two. He fixed the corners probably with, I think it was probably in Photoshop. I would have done that in Photoshop. But this was mainly edited, the colors and everything in Lightroom. He used the panorama feature. I really liked how it came out. The saturating looks really good. It kind of like fits with, like he has this style, very vivid and a bit saturated. And it's like sharp in a lot of places, like all over. There's an Easter egg in this photo. If you don't notice, the people that were with us, they showed up in the bottom left hand of this photo. They're there and they had no idea that they made it in. And you can see them like for scale. This place seems really big on this wide angle. And I also like on the side how the light looks even down like the corridor on the left of the photo. You could see like way over here, there's, I don't know, something about the light going down there, and you could see like there's some depth in the background way over there. I really liked how it came out from before and after. It would have been great to see the other shots that he did, but I guess he liked this one the most, and it came out really good. You should check out his other stuff. I'll put the link to his Instagram down below and his website, but check out his stuff. He does landscape photography. He's been doing hotels and stuff, so if you is in need of that, hit him up. He's pretty good at it. I like his photos. They're really good. I hope you guys are doing good and great. Thank you guys for watching, and yeah, go be creative out there. It was a good experience to go and see how he photographed and took his photos. So yeah, I'll see you guys. Bye.